For today's video, I do have another flip box opening from the Discord group I'm in, and these are the same flip boxes that I've opened on my channel before. So I've opened a $250 box from them. That was my first one, and that was pretty good. I got like 2 pairs of ones in there, so that was a good box. I ended up profiting like $45 on them, so pretty good for my first flip box. And the second box I opened was a $500 box, and I got 4 pairs of shoes in there, and I've only sold one of them, so I'm still waiting for the values on some of them to go up. So I'm not really in too rush to sell, but I'll definitely profit on that. There's a pair of ones in there that have gone up like $75 since I got them in the flip box. So that was really nice. I'll just keep holding on to them, and my profit on that box will probably be 200 plus. So that was a really good flip box. I highly suggest you go checking out that video. And for today's flip box opening, I have another $250 box. So let's hope the shoes inside are as good as the other ones have been in the past. And before I show you any of the shoes that are inside the flip box, I just want to say I am running a giveaway on my channel right now for this Supreme water bottle. The winner will get this completely for free, and it's super easy to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is go to my channel, and I'll put a link to the video in the description. I have a whole video about the giveaway and how to enter. It's super easy to enter, and you still have about a week left to enter. I will be announcing the winner on July 12th. So make sure you go check out that video just to see how to enter. It's super easy to enter, and anyone can enter. All you have to do is just follow the rules on the video, which, like I said, I'll put a link to in the description of this video. And with that being said, let's get right into my flip box. So I'm just gonna show each shoe individually of the flip box, and then at the end of the video, I'll go over the values on them just to see if the box is profitable or not. And the box was about $270 after shipping and fees, so it was $250 retail, but shipping and fees made it $270. So the goal is to hit at least $270. That is the break-even point. So let's see if the shoes will end up being worth that much. So starting with the first shoe, looks to be Air Max 270 box. From the top, you can see it says Air Max 270, and here is the label for it. So these are a size 12, and the colorway is Summit Green and Electric Green. So this will be a white and green shoe. And here they are. It's just a basic Nike 270 Reacts. I'm pretty sure this is pretty popular. These are probably gonna be a pretty quick sell, and I don't really know what values of any of these are. So like I said, I'll tell you all the values of the shoes at the end of the video once I look them all up. But overall, this is a nice shoe. It probably would go good in the summer and probably the fall just because of that dark green. Nice first shoe. Let's see what the second shoe is. So pulling out the second shoe, it is an Ultra Boost DNA, and these are a size 10. And the box of this is actually pretty interesting. I've never seen a box like this before. It looks to be the flaps on top just open up like this. So I've never seen a box like that, so that's pretty cool. And looking at the shoe, it is, like I said, an Ultra Boost. And it's an all-white Ultra Boost, so perfect for the summer. I don't really know too much about Ultra Boost anymore, just because I don't really follow the Adidas market, just because that's not what's popular right now. But Ultra Boost are still a very popular shoe, and this will probably sell really quick too, just because it's the summer. All white shoes usually go really well in the summer, so probably throw this up on eBay. Hopefully it sells pretty fast. Just a little details about the shoe. This cage is like a leather material, or like a synthetic leather, so it's probably not real leather, but it's a little bit different than a normal Ultra Boost. And the heel counter is a suede or nubuck material, so that's a little different. Usually the heel counters are plastic, so a little different. I don't really know too much about it, so I'll have to look up the value of this later on in the video. So that is my second shoe, all white Ultra Boost, another great shoe. So let's get on to the last shoe in the flip box. And the last shoe in the flip box is a Jordan box, so that's always a good sign. Jordans are usually pretty good shoes. So here's the label for the box. And these are a Jordan 6, also a size 10, just like the Ultra Boost. And getting into which Jordan 6 it is gonna be the Jordan 6 in the denim colorway. So these are nice, not really my style. I would never wear it. I've seen some really cool customs of these on Instagram, so that seems to be what people do with them. But Jordan 6s are my favorite Jordan Retro model, so nice shoe. Always nice to get a pair of 6s. This is just something I wouldn't wear. I don't really like them, but I'm sure someone does out there, and we'll see if the value of this is good. I'm assuming this is gonna be the most valuable shoe in the box just because it is a Jordan Retro, and these are just basic GRs, so we'll see what the value is on these. So that is all 3 shoes that I got in my flip box. Now we're gonna get into the values of each of them just to see if the box is profitable or not, so let's get right into it. So I looked up the values of all 3 of these shoes, and I use mostly eBay and Goat Sales just because that's the 2 places I sell. I don't really like selling on StockX just because the prices usually are a little cheaper than the other 2 sites, and it takes forever to get your payout. I've sold a couple shoes on StockX like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm still waiting to get my money for them, so probably won't be using StockX as much anymore. But I just went off Goat and eBay prices just because that's what I use the most, so that's what I'm going to use for this video. So starting off with the first shoe I got in my flip box, it was the Air Max 270 Reacts, and these go for around $100 to $130. So decent value here, and I'll probably try to sell these on eBay just because that's the best place to sell these kind of shoes in my opinion. And if you didn't know, on eBay, if the shoe is over $100, you do not have any seller fees on it. So that's really big for the shoes like this. You can move a bunch of them and not have to pay a bunch of fees. And you can use the money that you save in fees to offer free shipping. That's usually what I do. So it's just something I've done in the past and it's worked really well. I've sold a bunch of shoes on eBay doing that. So that is definitely what I'll be doing with these. So nice first shoe, decent value to it. Now on to the next one. So the next shoe in the flip box were these Ultra Boost DNAs, and it's an all white color, so it definitely has some value to it. And after checking comps for it, it was around $130 to $160. So I'll probably list these on eBay for $160 and just see what kind of offers I can get. So nice summer shoe, all white. Usually a lot of people like these all white Ultra Boost, but this isn't like the really popular one, but it's still an all white Ultra Boost, so it has some decent value to it. So hopefully these are going to be a quick mover. I haven't had an Adidas shoe in a while, so we'll see how fast these move. And that is the second shoe I got. Now on to the last one. So the third and final shoe in the flip box was the best one, and it was these Jordan 6 in the denim colorway. And after checking recent eBay and GOAT sales, it goes for around $150 to $160. Most of the value on these comes when you sell it on eBay, so that's probably also where I'll be selling these. It seems to be you can get the most money for these on eBay, so I'll definitely have to throw them up on there. Hopefully I get some offers. So nice shoe. I could see this rising in the future. Right now it's super cheap, so there's just only room to go up for these. And once a lot of people wear these, I'm sure these will go up. So that is it for all three shoes that I got in my flip box. Overall, it's a pretty good one. Like I said, the value of the box was around $270. So that was the goal for all three of these shoes, to hit that value. And after adding up the totals, it comes out to around $380 to $450 in combined value for all three of these shoes. So that's a really good margins for profit. If I sell these for the lowest they go for, I'll get at least $100 in profit. So that's pretty good on a $270 box to get $100 in profit. And if I sell them for the upper range that these all go for, I can almost get $200 in profit. So I'll definitely have to order another flip box within the next couple weeks. If you want to see that, make sure to leave a like on this video and comment down below which one I should cop next. I think there's still $250 ones, there's $500 ones, and then sometimes there's $1,000 boxes. So I don't know if I'm going to do one of those yet. But if you guys want to see that video, make sure to leave a like on this video, and maybe one day I'll do that. But overall, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of nice videos planned out for you guys, so you're definitely not going to want to miss any of those. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.